When people hear the word bees, they immediately think of the insect that stings people. I have personally never been stung by a bee before, but I still fear of getting stung by one someday. Yes, they hurt when they sting you, and that's why most people don't think bees are cute and that their population should die off. But what most people don't know about bees is that they pollinate about 1/3 of the world's food, according to a Pesticides Killing Bees article by Coco McPherson. A problem today is that honeybee population is declining. According to experts at the University of Vermont Gunn Institute of Ecological Economics, between 2008 and 2013, bees have declined about 23% in the U.S., which threatens crops and flowers. The decline of honeybee population is due to the use of pesticides, habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. There's nothing we can do about climate change, but the world can maximize the use of pesticides and reduce pollution. In this indictment speech, I will be talking about honeybees, the decline of honeybee populations, and why it is important to save them. The use of pesticides are why most honeybee populations are declining. The extreme amounts of pesticides being used on crops not only kill off bad insects, but they also kill the good insects like bees. According to a USDA article, beekeepers began reporting losses of 30 to 90% of their hives in October of 2006. Colony collapse disorder, or CCD, is when bees disappear from their hives or die, or very low or no adult honeybees are present in their hives. According to a toxicologist, Dr. Henk Tenekes, neonicotinoid pesticides are one of the main causes of the decline in bee population. Neonicotinoid is not only used worldwide to purposely kill insects, but when bees are exposed to neonicotinoid, it disrupts their nervous system. Neonicotinoid does not evaporate shortly after application, but like other pesticides do, but instead they poison bees. Bees can do some pretty amazing things for the planet and humans. For example, they are pollinators that assist plants to reproduce by taking pollen from one plant to another, and they also pollinate nutritious foods such as watermelons, apples, blueberries, strawberries, and many other fruits, according to a Huffington Post by Sally McKay. According to a Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture, bee products including honey and royal jelly were effective in reducing growth and the spread of cancerous tumors. Bees give us the delicious drizzle over just about anything, and honey also has been proven to be a healing and an antibacterial use. According to a Greenpeace article written by Cassidy Sharp, bees are responsible for pollinating $15 billion worth of just U.S. crops and 200 million pounds of UK crops. This makes their contribution to the agriculture and global economy very significant. I am going to end this speech with a quote by Albert Einstein. He once said, if the bee disappeared off the surface of the globe, then man would only have 4 years of life left. No more bees, no more pollination. No more plants, no more animals, no more man. So if you are someone that loves fruits, which bees pollinate, you should be worried about the decline of bee population and try to keep the environment a harmless place for bees.